Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know I'm passionate about giving you evidence-based advice to live your healthiest life, and today we're tackling a topic that's super important for a lot of you: diabetes and diet. Managing blood sugar is key for people with diabetes, and what you eat plays a huge role in that. We're gonna break down the top 7 best meats you can incorporate into your diet to help keep those blood sugar levels in check. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, and not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a meal plan that's right for your individual needs. Now, let's get started. First up, we've got a classic chicken. You've probably heard that chicken is a healthy choice, and for good reason. It's naturally lean, meaning it's lower in fat, especially when you choose skinless chicken breast. Why is that important for diabetes? Well, lower fat content translates to fewer calories and less saturated fat, which can contribute to insulin resistance. Insulin is like the key that unlocks your cells to let glucose in for energy. When you have insulin resistance, your body needs more insulin to do the same job, and that can lead to high blood sugar. But chicken isn't just about what it has, it's also packed with protein. Protein is a VIP in blood sugar management because it digests slowly, preventing those rapid spikes in blood sugar after a meal. Plus, it helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be a game changer when you're trying to manage your weight. So, next time you're planning a meal, remember that chicken is a versatile, delicious, and diabetes-friendly option. Now, let's talk about how to enjoy chicken in a way that supports your blood sugar goals. One of my favorite ways to prepare chicken is by grilling or baking it with some herbs and spices. This method helps keep the fat content low while adding tons of flavor. Another great option is to add chicken to stir-fries with lots of colorful veggies. The fiber in the vegetables helps slow down sugar absorption, further contributing to stable blood sugar levels. And don't forget about salads. Grilled or shredded chicken can turn a boring salad into a satisfying and protein-packed meal. Just be mindful of high-calorie dressings and opt for lighter vinaigrettes or a squeeze of lemon juice instead. Remember, managing diabetes is all about making sustainable, healthy choices that you can stick with long-term. And with chicken, the possibilities are endless. Moving on to another poultry powerhouse, turkey. While often associated with Thanksgiving feasts, turkey is a fantastic option for people with diabetes to enjoy year-round. Like chicken, turkey is naturally lean, especially when you choose skinless breast meat. This means it's lower in calories and saturated fat, which can contribute to better insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. But turkey brings more to the table than just lean protein. It's also a good source of iron, a mineral that's essential for healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. And let's not forget about zinc. Turkey is packed with this important mineral that plays a crucial role in immune function, wound healing, and even blood sugar regulation. Now let's talk about how to make turkey a regular part of your diabetes-friendly diet. One of the easiest ways is to simply swap out ground beef for ground turkey in your favorite recipes. You can use it in burgers, meatballs, chili, and even tacos for a leaner and healthier twist. Another great option is to roast a whole turkey breast and use the leftovers for sandwiches, salads, or wraps throughout the week. This is a great way to save time and ensure you always have a healthy protein source on hand, and if you're looking for a quick and easy meal, try grilling or pan-searing turkey cutlets and serving them with a side of steamed vegetables or a salad. Remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or variety. With a little creativity, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals that support your health goals. Alright, let's talk about fish. Not just any fish though. We're focusing on the fatty kind like salmon, mackerel, and tuna. These swimmers are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like superheroes for your blood sugar. See, omega-3s can actually improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. Insulin's like the key that unlocks your cells to let glucose in for energy. When your cells are more sensitive to insulin, it works more efficiently, and your blood sugar stays balanced. Plus, omega-3s are known to fight inflammation. We're learning more and more about how chronic inflammation can mess with insulin's ability to do its job. So, by reducing inflammation, omega-3s indirectly help keep your blood sugar in check. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish a week, grilled, baked, or even poached. Just try to avoid frying, as that adds unhealthy fats that we definitely don't want. Now, beyond blood sugar control, fish is just an all-around nutritional superstar. It's a great source of lean protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing those blood sugar spikes that can happen after a carb-heavy meal. And let's not forget about the other vitamins and minerals found in fish, like vitamin D and selenium. These nutrients play a role in overall health, including immune function and thyroid health, which can indirectly impact your blood sugar levels. But remember, variety is key. Don't feel like you have to eat salmon every single day. Explore different types of fish to keep your taste buds happy and reap the benefits of a diverse diet. So add some fantastic options to your plate and watch your health swim in the right direction. Okay, let's talk about beef. Now, I know some people with diabetes might be hesitant about red meat, and for good reason. Some cuts are loaded with saturated fat, which can raise cholesterol and have negative effects on heart health. But hold on, don't write off all beef just yet. We're talking about lean cuts here, like sirloin, tenderloin, and even 90% lean ground beef. These cuts provide a hefty dose of protein and essential nutrients without all that excess fat. Protein is super important for managing blood sugar because it digests slowly and doesn't cause rapid spikes in glucose. Plus, it helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and those dreaded sugar crashes. And when it comes to beef, we can't forget about iron. Iron is crucial for healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. And guess what? Proper oxygen delivery is essential for maintaining stable energy levels and, you guessed it, healthy blood sugar. Now, even though we're talking about the good kind of beef here, moderation is still key. I recommend limiting red meat consumption to a couple of times a week and choosing smaller portions. And here's a pro tip. Pair your lean beef with plenty of non-starchy veggies like broccoli, spinach, or Brussels sprouts. These veggies are low in carbs and calories but high in fiber, which helps slow down digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable. Another thing to keep in mind is the cooking method. Grilling, baking, or broiling are great options because they don't require added fats. Just be sure to avoid breading or frying your beef, as this adds unnecessary carbs and unhealthy fats. So enjoy your lean beef, but do it in moderation and with a focus on overall healthy eating habits. That's how you reap the benefits without any downsides. Let's talk pork, specifically pork tenderloin. This often overlooked cut of meat is a lean and mean protein powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. Pork tenderloin is naturally lower in fat and calories compared to other cuts of pork, like bacon or ribs, making it a great option for those watching their blood sugar. And just like other lean meats, it provides a hefty dose of protein, which, as we know, is crucial for blood sugar management. But here's where pork tenderloin really shines. It's incredibly versatile. You can grill it, roast it, pan-sear it, or even slow cook it. The possibilities are endless, making it easy to incorporate into a variety of meals. And let's not forget about the flavor. Pork tenderloin has a mild, slightly sweet flavor that pairs well with a variety of herbs, spices, and sauces. You can easily customize it to your liking without adding a ton of extra calories or carbs. Now, to really maximize the benefits of pork tenderloin, I recommend pairing it with nutrient-rich sides. Think roasted vegetables, a side salad, or even a small serving of quinoa or brown rice. These additions provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that complement the protein in pork tenderloin, creating a well-balanced and blood sugar-friendly meal. And here's another tip. Don't be afraid to get creative with your seasoning. Herbs and spices are your secret weapon in the kitchen. They add tons of flavor without adding sodium, sugar, or unnecessary calories. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, pork tenderloin is a delicious and nutritious option that can help you manage your blood sugar and enjoy a healthy lifestyle. Alright, coming in at number 6, we've got bison. Now, you might be thinking bison? That's a little out there, Doc, but trust me on this one. Bison is making a comeback, and for good reason. It's a powerhouse when it comes to nutrition, especially for those of us watching our blood sugar. First off, bison is naturally leaner than beef. We're talking less saturated fat, which is a win for your heart and your waistline. Remember, excess fat can lead to insulin resistance, which makes it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar. So choosing leaner options like bison can really make a difference. But it's not just about what bison have, it's about what it have. Bison is packed with protein, just like beef, which helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal. That's important for managing blood sugar because it prevents those blood sugar spikes that can happen after eating a meal high in simple carbs. Plus, bison is a great source of iron. Iron is essential for healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. And when your cells are getting enough oxygen, they function better, including those involved in blood sugar regulation. Now let's talk about vitamin B12. Bison is loaded with it, and B12 is crucial for nerve health. People with diabetes are at a higher risk for nerve damage, often in the hands and feet, so getting enough B12 is super important for preventing those complications. And here's another cool thing about bison, it's often grass-fed, which means the animals graze on pastures instead of being raised in confined spaces. Grass-fed bison tends to be higher in omega-3 fatty acids, those healthy fats that can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. When it comes to cooking bison, treat it like you would a good steak. You can grill it, pan-fry it, or even roast it in the oven. Just be careful not to overcook it, as it can become tough. Aim for a nice medium rare to medium doneness. So, if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious alternative to beef, give bison a try. It's a great way to add some variety to your diet while keeping your blood sugar in check. Last but not least, we have venison. Now I know venison might seem like an adventurous choice, but hear me out. This lean meat is like nature's gift to a diabetic-friendly diet. It's low in fat, high in protein, and packed with nutrients that can help keep your blood sugar in a healthy range. Let's start with the basics. Venison is incredibly lean. In fact, it's even leaner than chicken breast. And as we've talked about before, choosing lean protein sources is essential for managing blood sugar levels. Excess fat, especially saturated fat, can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to use insulin effectively. It's a fantastic source of protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Muscle plays a key role in blood sugar regulation because it helps your body use glucose for energy more efficiently. Now here's something else to get excited about. Venison is a good source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12. B vitamins are essential for energy production and metabolism, meaning they help your body convert the food you eat into usable energy. And when your metabolism is running smoothly, it can have a positive impact on your blood sugar levels. Another perk? Venison is often free-range, meaning the deer roam and graze freely, resulting in meat that's lower in fat and higher in certain nutrients, compared to commercially raised meat. So you're not just getting a healthy meal, you're also supporting more sustainable and humane farming practices. When it comes to cooking venison, it's important to remember that it's a lean meat, so it can dry out quickly if overcooked. Low and slow is the way to go. Try roasting it in the oven or slow cooking it in a stew or chili for a tender and flavorful meal. So, if you're looking for a lean, mean, blood sugar balancing machine, give venison a try. It's a delicious and nutritious way to shake up your meal routine. So there you have it, folks, the top 7 best meats for diabetics. Remember, incorporating these lean protein sources into your diet can help you manage your blood sugar levels, improve your overall health, and still enjoy delicious and satisfying meals. As always, it's important to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a meal plan that's right for you and your individual needs. They can help you determine the appropriate portion sizes and provide personalized recommendations based on your health history and blood sugar goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. See you next time.